Hey there, this is Alex from Moonside AI, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to create a chatbot that can recommend products from your Shopify website. So let me first demonstrate how this works. So in the main menu you click product recommendation, then you select the product type. I'm gonna go with jacket. And you can say recommend or show me the cheapest products. I'm not sure if a real client will want the cheapest ones, but for the sake of this example, let's do that. So this is gonna take a while, as you can see, because there are 50 plus products in the database right now, and it takes a little while for the AI task to run, but after it does that, it's gonna show you some of the products, and I'm gonna have to tweak this a little bit because I don't like the fact that the image is cropped like that. Let's click the buy button and this should redirect me to the store, and yeah, as you can see, the image here matches what we have here, also the price. So yeah, let me dive in and show you how it works. So to create this chatbot, this recommendation system, I had to create a dud Shopify store. So this is like a fake Shopify store. It's for the sake of testing. I copied these products from another website. So yeah, it's just a shop filled with dud products. It's nothing real here. And if you also have a Shopify store, in order to create this recommendation system, you will first have to export your products inside the chatbot's table database. And to do that is quite easy. You go over here and then you click all the products and then export as a plain CSV file. Hit this button here, it's gonna send the products to your email account, and then you simply download the CSV file. So yeah, let me actually create another bot so that you can follow this as a normal tutorial and follow the steps, because that makes more sense, right? So let's do that. Okay, so here we are, fresh and clean. Let me delete all this stuff because we are not gonna need it. And let's create our first node. Let's actually first create the table. So let's create a fresh data table, and I'm gonna call this products. And in here, you are going to have to import the CSV file that you've just downloaded. But before we import the file, we are going to have to add some columns so that we actually have where to store the data that we have in the CSV file. So the first column I'm going to create is the title, which is basically the name of the product. Then I'm going to create the handle, which is the link, where actually part of the link of the product that we are going to use for the buy button inside the carousel cards. Then I'm going to add the type of the product. In our case was we had only 3 types: t-shirts, jackets and pants. Then we are going to add tags. This column is actually going to store some of the more defining data about the products. In this example, let me actually show you in the CSV file. For the tags, we have the different occasions that we can wear said item. For example, for this jacket, this has sport and winter, casual, sport and winter, casual and sport, and so on. So yeah, we're going to need that as well. Then we are going to have the actually we will have to call this variant price, and then for the image of the carousel we are going to have to call it image source. And the reason I'm calling it specifically like this is because it has to match the name of the column inside the CSV file. So yeah, as you can see, where it is, here's the image of the product. And lastly, I'm going to add body, and then in parentheses I'm going to add HTML. HTML, like that. And this one is actually the description of the product. So yeah, let's now import the CSV file. There you go. We have now imported all the products inside of our bot. So now, because I don't want to make this tutorial too long, and because there will be a bot template for you to download down in the description, I'm going to explain the thing I created beforehand, so that I don't have to walk you through step by step, because that takes too much time and time is precious. So let me actually show you how it works. So first you have a single choice card, which is going to ask the user for the type of product they are looking for, and then they select t-shirt or jacket or pants. After that, they will be prompted to describe what kind of item would interest them, and then tells them things like things they can say like color or price or the occasion in which they wish to wear the item that they're looking for. And then in this card here, in this node, we are going to look inside the products table that we just created earlier, and we're going to apply a filter so that we only look for the type that the user has selected at the beginning of the flow. So we're going to use the variable product type to filter through all the products inside the table. And then we are going to store all this data inside this variable here, all products. And then here comes the AI magic. And we have a little bit of a prompt over here. You can pause the video and read it if you want it. And what the AI basically does, I prompted it to create a top 3 recommended products using the product description that the user has given us in the node earlier. And yeah, it's basically going to look inside the all products variable in which we store all the products that we found inside the table using that filter, and then it explains them. It explains the AI what each of the columns does, and it also gives them an example, and then all the usual stuff, where to store the data and so on. And then using that data, we display inside we use actually the carousel cards to show them the image of the product, the title and the price. And then inside the buy button we have the link to redirect the user to the product that they desire. And yeah, at the end of the node, the bot asks them, would you like another recommendation, yes or no? If they say yes, it's going to basically redirect them back at the beginning, and if it's a no, it's gonna bring them back to the main menu. And yeah, that's the whole process. So yeah, this is the recommendation system that I've come up with. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know down in the comment section. What do you think I could improve on? What could be done better? If you want to see more of this type of content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. See ya!